Welcome back and thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm back in the gym to talk to you about time under tension. It's a great way to break down muscle tissue so you can stimulate muscle growth. What is time under tension and why should you care? Most people working out in a gym these days are doing multiple sets of an exercise with anywhere from 6 to 12 reps, and each set will generally take 25 to 35 seconds. With time under tension, the idea is to keep the muscle or muscle groups under constant tension for 45 seconds or more. It's important to keep tension on the muscle at all times. When doing a chest press machine exercise, for example, never lock out the elbows to full extension even for a breath. Doing so takes the tension off the pec muscles. Keep the movement going to keep the tension on the muscle group at all times. My approach is to keep the reps at 8 seconds, using a 4-second count on the ascent and a 4-second on the descent. I shoot for 8 to 12 reps, or a minimum of 64 seconds. Here are the benefits of time under tension. 1. Keeping the muscles under tension for this amount of time really breaks down the muscle tissue, which is essential for muscle growth. 2. You are working out the muscles without taxing the joints. Number 3, you spend less time exercising as you only need one set per body part or muscle group. And 4, studies have shown that time under tension increases protein synthesis. By the time you get to that 5th or 6th rep, I promise your muscles will be burning. But power through because that's where you really stimulate muscle growth. Stay tuned and please subscribe because next time I'm going to talk about another high intensity interval training, this time focusing on abs.